Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and this is Young Living's essential oil, Ylang Ylang. And Ylang Ylang means flower of flowers, and that's just what it is. It's a very bright, strong, beautiful, sweet floral fragrance essential oil with so many benefits. It's really good for your hair, your skin, for helping you to feel happy and centered and calm. It also encourages feelings of romance. So a lot of people put this in their perfume rollers. So Ylang Ylang pairs well with geranium, with spicy fragrances like black pepper, and woodsy fragrances like vetiver and different ones like that. So when I diffuse this, I'll put it Ylang Ylang with a woodsy oil scent, a citrus, and maybe a little spice, and it's just amazing, better than any fancy candle. So that is just my point of view.